In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Ticktick and set up sync or automations. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to view your Google Calendar events in Ticktick, enable full two-way syncing, and set up optional automations to turn events into tasks. You can follow along on desktop or mobile. The path is the same inside the Ticktick app. Start by opening Ticktick and heading to Settings. From there, go to Import and Integration, then select Google Calendar. You'll see two choices. The first is Subscribe from Google Calendar. This is a one-way, read-only connection that lets you view your Google events inside Ticktick without changing anything on Google Calendar. It's perfect if you simply want your meetings and appointments to appear alongside your tasks. After choosing Subscribe, you'll be prompted to sign in and pick which calendars to display. Once connected, your events will show up in Ticktick's calendar view. If you don't see them immediately, give it a moment. There can be a short refresh delay. Also, double-check your time zone settings in both apps to make sure events line up correctly. The second option is Integrate with Google Calendar. This creates a two-way sync so changes flow both directions. That means editing or adding events in Ticktick can update Google Calendar and vice versa. When you select this, approve the permissions so Ticktick can manage the sync. Choose which calendars and which Ticktick list should sync to avoid clutter. If you split work and personal items, keep them mapped to do so to the correct places. A quick tip: connect each calendar only once to prevent duplicates. After setup, test by creating a small event in Ticktick and confirming it appears in Google Calendar. Remember that some details, like reminders and all-day events, may be handled a bit differently across apps, so verify your preferences. If you want more control over how information moves, you can use an automation tool like Zapier. With Zapier, you can build a workflow where a new Google Calendar event automatically creates a task in Ticktick, or only do this when events match certain criteria. Map fields such as event title, date, and description to your task name, due date, and notes. This is great if you want tasks only for specific calendars or keywords. Keep automation simple at first and run a quick test to ensure you're not creating duplicates. That's it. Choose the view-only subscription for simplicity, the two-way integration for full synchronization, or add Zapier when you need custom triggers. Save your settings, give the sync a moment, and you're set.